Hi, this is Easy Ed, and in this minute, we are going to take a look at the IDLE Integrated Development Environment, which is where we are going to be working in the lessons to come. You should have Python and IDLE installed on your computer from the last video, so let's open it up. There are basically two ways of working with IDLE. The first screen that opens up is called the shell. This is where we can interact directly with Python. It's like a conversation. We say something and Python responds. Let's try it out. See these three arrows? That means Python is waiting for me to say something. I need to give Python some instructions. I will enter the number 10. Now Python responds with the value of what I entered, 10. Let's do something a little bit more complex. I will enter 10 plus 3. Python responds with the value of this, 13. So that's basically how the shell works. You type something after the three arrows, and Python responds with the value of what you entered. The other way we can work with IDLE is by saving all of our instructions in a file ending with the extension .py, then running it. To do this, I will go to File and create a new file. I'm going to type print and then parentheses, and then my calculations inside the parentheses. I will put the same calculations as I did directly in the shell. Okay, now I will save the program as script1 and it is saved automatically as a .py file. A script is just another word for a program, which is a set of instructions for Python that you can save in a file. Alright, now I need to run my script/program. I go to the Run menu and choose Run Module. And now the shell pops up and we see the response from Python to my instructions in the script. So now you should be able to open IDLE, type instructions one by one in the shell, and also create a new .py file with a set of instructions, save it, and run it. Make sure you know how to do both of these before the next video. And go ahead and spend a few minutes playing around with this, entering numbers and calculations in the shell, and making scripts like this and running them. If this helped you, please like and comment. Alright, I'll see you in the next minute.